Hello, fellow crafters. Lori here with the Crafty Connection. And first and foremost, excuse the background mess here. I'm in my craft room, but my crafting area is a hot mess, as is the desk area, but works in progress. Anyway, so today I have an unboxing from Amy over at Crafting with Amy. I will have her channel in my description. We are doing a mystery box collaboration, and for this one I've already opened the box, but I haven't looked inside of it yet, and that was really just because who wants to watch me open a box, and all of our address information is on the other side of the flaps. So in this mystery challenge we are making a busted canvas, a sign with lights, a coffee themed item, and a recipe themed item. So I sent her a box, she sent me a box, so this is what she sent me. The mystery items, by her choice, were chosen by our husbands. That's the twist of this challenge. So there's 3 mystery items wrapped up, which I'm going to open here in a minute. And then she always throws extra stuff in, as do I. But we only have to use the 3 mystery challenge items in this box, plus whatever else we want to use from our stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. First, I'm going to pull out the mystery. This is a mystery item. And mystery item. And another mystery item. We'll set those right there. And we'll go ahead and see what else she sent in the box, just for fun. Oh, we have a note. She says, Lori, I hope this box finds you well. The mystery items are in the brown paper. Blame my hubby, LOL. The others are just extra items for you to enjoy. Have fun, Amy. I actually didn't send a note in mine this time because I was in a rush. So, she sent us some of the glitter tulle. We have a red and a silver. We have, I think these might be stickers. Let me open it real fast and verify that. I know she said she had ordered a bunch of stuff from Temu, and this might be one of those items that she ordered. It is, oh, it's a paper pack. Look at that. This one has the little tags and stuff on it, and then it's got a bunch of different little Christmas papers. So, very nice to craft with. Okay. We have some little trucks with trees, ornaments. Cute. We have, uh-oh, it's wrapped. But I'm assuming it's just wrapped to be wrapped, because these are the 3 mystery items here. So, let's see what we have. Maybe she did it so it didn't get broke. Oh, that's cute. It's an ornament, but it's cute. It's a door, a little door with a wreath on it. Oops. Sorry about that. I told you it was a hot mess in here. We have another little wrapped item. Which is another Christmas ornament. This one's cute too. It says Faith. It has fabric underneath there. How nice. Cute. You know, sometimes I get stuff like this, or I see stuff like this at the Dollar Tree, and it gives me ideas for other things, just like the fabric part underneath. I like that. Okay, we have some green leaf binds, 20, I think it says 20 milliliters. So like a bind of greenery, which for me I'll cut down to use on things. We have 2 rolls of ribbon. It's the gingham. It's a red and a blue with cream. Nice. I like the smaller ribbon for smaller, little small bows. Well, that's cute. Merry Christmas. It's just it's metal, and it's like put in, it's all metal, which I actually like that. Thank you. We have some, greenery picks, which can always be used. And they're also little tiny pieces on the stem that I can cut down. I can use those in my fairy builds too. We have Christmas tree ornament pillow, which is very nice. And I like another, it says ornament, but it's like a farmhouse Christmas. It's a little bag, which can be used in a lot of different kind of crafting. And we have, let me put some of this other stuff back in so I can have a little bit more room. Okay, and then we have some mini burlap flags. I sent her some of these actually, so I got them back. But I don't like to use those as the garland. I like to use the burlap as itself, and I'll cut it up. And then we have some, these look like paper pieces almost. Let me open them and see exactly what they are. They are like for junk journaling or different kind of paper crafting. I do a lot of paper crafts, so these would be perfect. Awesome, Amy. Thank you. These are all my extras. So I'm going to set this over. Sorry about my monitor. There it went off. And my other junk here. I also do reselling, so I'm listing things. But ignore that. And our first mystery package is this. It's making noise, and I have no idea what it could be. So let's see. Now, our husband's picked out these items. So her husband picked these out, and I'm a lot nervous. Because Amy has sent me some doozies in these challenges. You can only imagine what her husband has sent me. Let's check it out. Oh, we have Play-Doh. Okay. I can do Play-Doh. Play-Doh works like clay, so I'm going to open it so we can see the colors. Which it won't matter, because Play-Doh can, once it dries out, just like clay, it can be painted. Let's check it out. Oh, there's an animal in the other one. Alright, so we have some pink and green Play-Doh. And we have a monster. I'm assuming sits on here. Okay. Not sure about this. Oh, that's a flip-flop. A monster sitting on a flip-flop is what it looks like with some Play-Doh. So, this is easy. Not sure about that. But we'll get to it. Alright, next one is this. Not sure. Oh, it was taped, but it came untaped. Oh well. Doesn't matter. I still can't see it. Oh no. It's a jump rope. It's a Mickey Mouse jump rope. Obviously, this is going to be tore apart and redesigned into something. What? I have absolutely no idea. Oh, jeez. Okay. Not sure about this last item because I got Play-Doh and a Mickey Mouse jump rope. And I'm sorry again. I keep hitting that, okay. Excuse me, buddy. Did you get your 15 seconds of fame there? That would be scratchy. Alright, last mystery item here. is, oh, it looks like a stocking. Oh, a stocking that you can color. Okay. Well, that's not as bad as a jump rope and Play-Doh. So we will put some thought into this, and then we will get to craft it and have a video uploaded very soon for you, so you can see what I have done with the mystery items she sent me, and head on over to her channel so you can see what I sent her, and then keep an eye out because we'll have videos soon of what we're recreating with these mystery items. Alright guys, until then, happy holidays, and we'll see you in a few.